What happens if your buyer asks for repairs? Well, this is going to depend on the type of contract that you signed. And in our market, Sarasota, we typically use two contracts, what we call the as-is contract, which doesn't require you to fix anything, or there's what we also call the standard contract, which requires you to fix things up to a certain dollar amount. So, depending on which contract you use, um, a buyer can ask for repairs. Buyer can ask for repairs under both contracts, but one you're obligated to do them, the other one you're not. So you sit down with your realtor, you figure out um, if you want to make these repairs, and based on the language in the contract as to whether you proceed to do them or not. And in a situation, say in a slow real estate market, you probably want to keep that buyer and make the repairs if they're not too big. If you are in a heated seller's market, you may not have to fix anything, and you probably don't because the next buyer is going to come, the next day. So, again, have a good realtor, have good representation. They can give you the pros and cons of doing the repairs or not doing the repairs.